Welcome to my channel. This is Emmanuel. Today we're going talking about POPPO Live. So I quickly want to show you how to get your referral link on POPPO Live app. So the first thing you need to do is just to go and log into your POPPO Live. Once you log into your POPPO Live app, go straight to your profile. The last icon here down here, you can see is where your profile is. So this is your profile dashboard. So on getting to this page, you'll be wondering this page might not be the same as your page, because this page is an agency page. So your own might be a personal account. So but immediately you get your profile, the next thing you need to navigate to check is where the invite is. So see the invite, just click on the invite, wait for it to load. So it brought you to this page. So immediately you get to this page, the next thing for you to do is just to click invite now. So when you click on invite now, it shows this page. So on getting to this page, you can see invitation templates. So you were given 5 templates. So these 5 templates list to your account. So any template you copy or you share is going to lead to your account. So you can see the second option here, which is my material. This is where you are going to find the links you have shared. You can see the invitation template you successfully shared will be automatically displayed in material list recording your invitation data. So this is where all the links I've shared is listed. You can see. So on this first one, I got no click. So on the second one, you can see that I have 14 clicks on it. I have 8 download and only one person registered. As you can see, only one person registered. On this one also, you can see how it goes. So let's go back to why we are here, which is how to get your invitation link. So go back to invitation templates. Wait for it to. So I'm getting to this page. You can click on share. Just choose anyone. Let me look for anyone. I think this one is okay. Let me see the one that is beautiful. There's item moment. Okay, let me change it. I think let me take this one. Okay, I think I love this one. So this one, you can share this one. Just click on share, the share button, and click on copy link. So immediately you click on copy link, you can share it with anybody. So thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next video.